Now today we'll discuss Yoshua the businessman, and we'll dive deeper in upcoming videos. My name is Yoshua Khan. My name was given to me by my dad. There is a short video explaining that in the description below. I grew up in Inglewood, California, back when the stadium used to be a Hollywood casino. Crazy, right? I had been shooting videos and editing ever since 2015. Almost 10 years ago. Even have some old cringy fully edited videos from back then as well. Have plans on reacting to those videos later on in the future, so stay tuned for those. I had always scripted, recorded, and edited all of my videos ever since I got my first camera in 2015. That first camera was a GoPro Hero 4. It was one of the first GoPros to record in 4K resolution. So a year later in 2016 is when I went to college to study cinema arts, earning my bachelor's degree in cinema arts in 2020. I am now a freelance photographer, videographer, and video editor located here in Los Angeles, California. I had established my film production company, yak.productions, in 2021 to provide photo and video services all across the city of Los Angeles, and have been expanding. My goal is to open and run a beautiful studio for young creatives to come in and create. Back in high school, my friends and I will sneak into empty classrooms so that we can film dumb skits, and I constantly got my camera confiscated just trying to teach myself how to film videos. For me, there weren't many places for me to learn how to create videos, so I want to provide a safe space for those eager creatives to come in and practice their craft. I will teach all that I know from my years of college and freelancing experiences so that the next generation of creatives can expand on what I know. That is my goal for Yak Productions, and with YouTube, I believe we can make this happen. And that is who I am as a businessman. In upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into the incredible experiences of the stories of my life. So stay tuned for that. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave in the comment section below the things that you plan to accomplish. Let's talk about it. So God bless, and Yak is out. Yak Academia is my editing training program where I teach you guys everything I know step by step on how to edit videos and so much more. Start your free 30-day trial at yoshuakhan.com/Yak Academia. But don't wait, this 30-day free trial offer ends September 1st. Just tap the Linktree link in any one of my social media bios to get started. I'll be seeing y'all there.